Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me today.
No, it's great to have you. We've been working together for a number of years, but you've really accelerated over the last couple of years. Tell me first about Grant Thornton so the audience understands what business you're in.
Absolutely, James, and thank you so much for having me today. Grant Thornton is so pleased to team with Microsoft. Grant Thornton is a global public accounting and advisory firm. We operate in 135 countries, really helping our clients prepare for the future, whether that is in applying new technologies or digital transformation, understanding new rules, regulations, and risks, and helping our clients with high-quality audits, tax, and advisory services.
Got it. And so you've been on a journey recently,
We have.
reimagining how you want to go engage your customers based on data and intelligence. Talk a bit about what drove that and what you're thinking.
We have, James. So we are a very customer-centric organization, and in thinking about how we could enhance the experience for our customers, it really is about using technology to help us build deeper relationships with our clients. And we've done that in a couple of ways through teaming with Microsoft. The first is we've seen great benefit in applying LinkedIn Sales Navigator. We are about a little over a year into our journey, and the outcomes that we can see at this point are that those teams that have more LinkedIn connections with their particular customer base have a higher win rate, and they have an increased amount of sales versus those who don't. So what we can see is the technology is helping us to better understand these companies, build deeper relationships, and wider across the entire organization. So that's been a great benefit. The second area, James, is really around the Sales Insights platform and getting automated intelligence, insights, and research to our partners 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that they can walk in the door to their client meetings being highly prepared and engage in highly relevant conversations with their clients is really important today. So using technology to prepare and understand the latest changes that are happening with our clients. That may be changes in their management teams. It may be changes due to mergers and acquisitions, changes with their customer base or with their competitors. These alerts go to our partners on their phones, so they are constantly getting the latest about our client base so that they can provide more relevant information for them.
Got it. And there was a third, I think.
Oh, the relationship assistant.
Yes,
Thank you, James.
yeah, absolutely.
We believe it's critical to monitor the health of the relationship with our clients at all times. And using technology is the best way to be able to do that. So we are working to build out even more the relationship assistant platform within our firm, teaming with Microsoft, and that enables us to understand the sentiment of the relationship at all times. So as part of the daily routine of our partners, they may start their day by understanding the sentiment and the health of their important client relationships, and that is using the technology to really monitor so that that partner in New York on one of our global clients understands the health of the relationship in the same way that the partner in California or the partner in Paris. They are all getting the same information, and it is all about the health of that relationship and the sentiment where the clients are highly satisfied, or maybe there's a concern in a particular area.
Super.
So that we can respond more quickly.
Predict and proact.
Absolutely. It's all about the response time.
That's right. And so, you are, I would imagine, as I think about all of our customers, pretty sophisticated. I mean, the work that you've done is leading edge, and we are actually co-developing in some ways.
Absolutely.
Around what, so you've gone on this journey. What advice would you have? Any sort of takeaways?
The use of technology is really change management in many industries, and in professional services where you have so many great experts that have been doing this for 20, 30 years and really haven't used technology to build relationships. It is change management, and one of the things that we have found is just the constant communication about the success stories. when it works for a partner on a particular client relationship and they've been able to use technology to build a wider relationship within that company, we share that success story across the entire firm at all levels. And so success breeds success,
Yes.
and it is one of those things that when we see the winning ways of one team, we try to share those best practices very quickly. And using technology, we're able to do that instantaneously.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Really
James.
appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thank you, Nichole.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.